Dear friends, greetings. When I was working in India, one Hindu family invited me and my friends to have a celebration in their family. I went to that particular family. The head of the family was telling me about the rituals he is doing every day at home. He showed me the prayer room that is the center part of their house, and he was explaining to me different rituals, and he is very proud of that. And he tells me God wanted me to do this ritual. Through this service, I am one with the people, and because of this service, the universe is going on smoothly, peacefully. I was surprised by his conviction. He was doing small service and he is very proud of that. He expresses his importance in the whole universe. Everybody is important. Everybody has a role to play in the universe. This reality is very much realized by me when I met Mother Teresa in Rome. It was an interesting event. One day, while I was studying in Rome, I went to Salvator Mundi Hospital to visit a patient. The patient told me, Mother Teresa is in next room. She came from India, she was sick, she was admitted. If nobody is there, you can go there, you can speak to her. I was thrilled by that. I went and saw the next room. There was nobody. Mother Teresa herself invited me. I went there and she asked me to sit. We had 45 minutes, nice conversation. In that conversation, she was telling me about the importance of priests. You are called by God for a particular purpose. You are called to perform sacraments. You are called to unite people with God. It is the highest life in the world. And she was telling about her life. I am called to be a social worker. We can do a lot of social work. We feel proud of that. Everybody is important. Everybody has to do his own role in the society. That was her conviction that day. That is true. Everybody is important in the world. Everybody is uniquely made in the world. We have a particular purpose in the world. We have a particular duty in the world. Nobody can replace us. Nobody can do our work. We need not compare ourselves with other people, but we are important. Jesus realized this fact very much in his life. He called himself the Son of God. That has great implications and meaning. He came to do the will of God the Father, and he had a special experience of love with God the Father. He realized his unconditional love every day in his life, and he was guided by that love. And he did not bother about Jewish leaders, the kings of the time. He was going on doing his duties in a wonderful way. Another event that is really surprising to me is his entry into Jerusalem to die. He knew that he was going to die. He did not feel bad. He wanted to show his importance. Then he arranged a beautiful procession with ordinary people. And he did not bother about the Pharisees who criticized him. He went with all proudness to do the will of God, to hand over himself in death in Jerusalem. Everything he did with great importance, with great conviction. That is his ministry. So we are all called to do our own great important work in life. Doing with great sense of importance is something wonderful. That's God's given gift. Everybody has a unique gift, and let us live our life with this dignity. God bless you. Thank you.